Okay, we have one question here that I'd like to put out to the panel. We'll start with Brendan this time, and John will give you some time too. We're just going to need to keep it brief. We have a new administration. We have a new Congress. What changes have we seen so far from the Biden administration? Legislative changes could we see to the FCA with the new Congress? What do you think, Brendan?
So, I think the Biden administration has signaled that it's going to be aggressive on the False Claims Act, particularly with respect to COVID. John mentioned this, but a man named Brian Boynton who's the acting head of the Civil Division now under the Biden administration, made a speech last week, and she said that. In terms of the legislative front, again, Senator Grassley, has been the Senate a long time, but he's really been the driver of a lot of FCA activity. He's criticized that materiality standard in the Escobar case that we discussed. He thinks it creates too high a bar. He says it's more stringent than the text of the statute. He's also criticized the government, as I said before, dismissing cases over the relator's objection, and he'd want them to have to make more of a showing in court. So I think, those could be two legislative changes we'll see. Senator Grassley, obviously, is a Republican. We have a Democratic Senate. But I think this is one, potentially in this environment where you could get bipartisan support.